So this is how you can install data packs in Minecraft. It's actually quite simple, more simple than you think. You're going to want to go to planetminecraft.com/data-packs and then a slash. So here are all of the data packs. You could even search them up if you're looking for a specific one, but here are the basic ones. So what is a data pack? Well, it's basically like a mod. For example, there's this wormhole data pack or a null boss fight, maybe a new set of animations for sneaking, or you could leash a mob into anything. Either way, there are a lot of them and can heighten your experience playing Minecraft. I do recommend using at least one of these because they really do change the game. So how do you actually install one? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one as a tutorial. So once you're here, you can go on ahead and tap on download data pack. Once you do that, it should be a .zip file. So save that for later, add it to your desktop, and once it's there, now I'm going to show you how to actually install it into your Minecraft game. So open up Minecraft and then tap on single player. Now go to your new world and then tap on edit. Once you're there, you're going to want to tap on Open World Folder. And then it's going to open up a folder in Minecraft. And that is where you're going to want to add your .zip file or your data pack. But first, you're going to want to look for the data packs folder within this world folder. So basically, to sum it up, if you open this world folder, it's going to look like this. It has a bunch of other folders inside, and what you're going to want to look for is data packs. So drag your .zip file or your data pack into this data pack folder, and then go back to Minecraft and simply tap on save. Once you do that, you can go on ahead and play the selected world over here, and then there you go. You can finally use your data pack. Simple, right? All it took was maybe under 10 steps. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.